Hi everybody! Today I have Mars Gaming headphones and I'm going to tell you how can you easily rename your headphones in the Android phone. So, at first we have to enter settings and now we have to enter connected devices. Here we have to tap on this gear icon and now we have to tap on this pen icon. It can be near our name or in the top right corner. Now we can modify our name, add some emotes, delete some text, etc. I will add Mars Gaming. And as you can see, if you are done, you have to click on the stick icon or rename here. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye!